Yeah, can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. So,
Okay.
have you presented yesterday's demo?
No, sir. Today it is the first session for me.
Yesterday I have given demo session on Azure DevOps and what is DevOps and what is Azure DevOps. You can go through the demo yesterday that we have given. Okay.
Sure, sir.
And
Sure.
so how to know the demo link? YouTube.com. You can search. You can go through yesterday's demo. Durga.
Okay.
Azure DevOps by Shiva. It is yesterday's demo link.
Okay,
25:70 p.m.
I'll check that.
Imagine sitting behind a system and analyzing a cricket match that is happening thousands of miles away and being streamed live on billions
Paste the link on the chat, sir.
all at once.
Yes.
Is that even possible?
Okay.
Well, it is. So before I start the demo,
And sir, this will be from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. right, every day?
Yes.
Okay. Monday to Friday only, correct?
Have you got the link?
No, sir. On chat, I have not yet.
No.
No. Anyways, I'll try to search it on YouTube.
In the chat window link, I have given the link for YouTube session.
Okay, sir. I'm checking.
So today we are going to see lab setup for Azure DevOps. So the first step becomes creating a Azure DevOps Azure account. So it is completely optional, and without having this Azure creating a Azure DevOps Azure account, not DevOps account. Azure accounts. Now to create Azure account, okay, an Azure account, use the following link with the following things ready. So the first one is you need to have an email ID, and you need to have one mobile number. You need to have credit card. This is the thing you need to have to create Azure accounts. So once you are having these things ready, use this link portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com. This is the link from where you can create a Azure account. I will show this. Portal.azure.com. Here you are going to get. Let me come out first. sign out. Here portal.azure.com. Here select use another account. Okay, give your email ID, phone number, and in the next page you will be asking for your credit card information. Fill up all the details. Within no time your account will be activated. So once your account is activated, okay, once your account is activated, you can go into the account by using your account credentials. This is my account name. Okay, we are in the landing page of our Azure cloud. Okay, this is the way how you can create Azure. And the second step is to create Azure DevOps accounts. Creating Azure DevOps accounts. So for this, you don't need to have any credit card, email ID. Just you need to have only email ID. Credit card is not required. Okay. And see here, the link is dev.azure.com. The link to create Azure DevOps account. That is dev.azure.com. Okay, here you have to choose. I will come out from this account. I will show it from beginning. Dev.azure.com. Are you seeing this option? Sign in to, sorry, start free. Okay, so when I select start free, you will be asking. Okay, I will come out from again. Then you have to enter your username, password. Okay, that's it. Within no time, your account will be activated. Okay, this is the way how you can create a Azure DevOps account also. And other setup you have to do is installing, okay, Visual Studio 2019. Okay, let me save this document. Right now, since already I have Visual Studio on my system, what I will do, I will create a virtual machine. Okay, Windows 10 virtual machine in Azure cloud. Okay, within that virtual machine, I will show how to install Visual Studio. Okay, since I have Visual Studio 2019 in my LAPI, I go and create a virtual machine, VM, virtual machine in Azure cloud. What is that virtual machine? Windows 10 virtual machine. This is the first step. And second step is install Chaco. Okay, Chaco is a package management command. Okay, that is a package management tool for installing and uninstalling softwares. Okay, generally if you want to install softwares on Windows virtual machine, okay, you have to download and you have to install. That is a old process. And using Chaco, okay, within single step you can install any software. So Chaco, okay, will download the software and it will install automatically. That means within single step we can do two operations. Within a single step we can do 2 operations. That is a specialty of, that is a power of Chaco. Okay, once Chaco is installed, what I will do? Okay, install Git, because my Visual Studio internally uses Git. And once Git is installed, as a 4th step, what I am going to do? Finally, install Visual Studio 2019 Professional Edition. These are the steps we are going to do today. So for that, let me log in into my Azure portal, portal.azure.com. Okay, this is my account name. First, let me clean up all the environment. In your case, it is not required, because in my case, a resource group must be deleted. Delete resource group. Okay, the resource group name is Azure DevOps. Here you need not to do anything in case of your system, because already for your other batches I created this resource group. Resource group is just like a container. Okay, every resource that you are creating will be a part of your resource group. Now my first intention is to create a virtual machine. Okay, now to create a virtual machine, go to this favorites, select virtual machines. Okay, click on create Azure virtual machine. And resource group name I am giving Azure DevOps, or you can create a new resource group. Azure DevOps new. Okay, virtual machine name is I am giving like Azure VM or Azure. You can give anything, and a region can be anything. Region is a place where exactly you wanted to keep your virtual machine. Okay, I want to go with Windows 10,000, Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so V1 means it is a small machine. You cannot launch this Windows virtual machine within a small machine. So select a larger machine to accommodate a larger operating system. I am selecting D2S_V3. It is having 2 virtual CPUs, 2 CPUs. Username is my user. Password is, you can give any password. Okay, so go to disks. Here I open 80 port number also. Go to disks. Here remove this SSD. Select HDD because it is not any real-time system. Okay, so if you select premium, they are very expensive. Don't select them. Okay, so I have to make one more thing also. We have to accept license agreements. Networking, from here onward, just to go on, press next. It is saying that if you are not in free tier, okay, you will be charged like this 7.9250 INR per hour. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes of time because Windows is a heavy operating system. Let us wait for the machine to be created.
Sir, I had a question over here. Can I ask? Like, sir, now I'm not I'm not aware about Azure, sir. I'm from a VMware background. So for DevOps, is it required to have a good understanding of Azure Administrator or
No,
like
no, it is
this
Azure
course?
admin knowledge is not required. Okay, just
Okay,
with the
okay,
basics of Windows, you can join this course.
okay. Basics of Windows and Linux, that is more than enough, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
So once this machine is up, okay, so our next step would be installing Chaco. How to install Chaco? Chaco is a package management command. So you can set like this: Chaco, Chocolatey or Chocolatey, Chaco on Windows 10. So I am copying this link directly, and also I will give the script to be executed. If this is a link you have to follow to install Chaco. Once Chaco is installed, installation of other softwares becomes dead easy. Okay, this is for installing Chaco. Use refer here. Execute the following PowerShell script from VMs. In your case, it is physical machine. Okay, in my case, already I have Visual Studio in my local system. I am taking a virtual machine. Okay, PowerShell script from VMs, PowerShell admin mode. Okay, so what is that command you have to run? What is the script that we have to execute? Just to scroll down a little bit, and you will see a PowerShell script. This script you have to execute on the VM's PowerShell, VM's PowerShell window. Just I am pasting the script also. Okay, once it is done, your machine is ready with Chaco. Okay, your virtual machine creation is completed. Select go to resource, click on connect, select RDP, select this download RDP. So directly also we can connect by downloading this RDP file also. RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol. Just double click on this. You will be asking the username and password of the system. I have given the username as my user. Credentials you need. Credentials are given at the time of VM creation, right?
Yes, sir.
My system is ready. Okay, select accept. Maybe later. Select yes. It is asking whether this machine can be accessible from internet. So I have given yes. Maybe later. And see here, go to here, just type PowerShell. Run as administrator. Okay, I'm going to increase font size. Properties. Large. Font size is in giving something like 20. 20 is enough. So now just minimize this VM and whatever script we have collected, and just copy the script and execute from your PowerShell. VM's PowerShell. Copy this. Press enter. Are you seeing? First it is downloading, next it is installing. It will do two jobs. This is the latest approach to install softwares on a Windows operating system. Now just to close this window and relaunch it again, because in the Windows systems immediately the changes are not reflected. Okay, go to PowerShell once again. Whereas in Linux the changes are reflected automatically. In Windows you have to relaunch the terminal. Now check the version, Chaco ---- version. Right? Now using Chaco we have to install Git. How to install Git? Let us see. Just ask like this, Chaco Git. Okay, there is a simple command you have to run. The command to be run is Chaco install Git. This is to make our system ready with our lab setup for Azure DevOps. Okay, what is that command you have to run? -y. Execute the following from Windows PowerShells admin mode. Just you have to run this. So this is my virtual machine. Just copy this. At last include -y. This is for auto approval. Now it is downloading first. Next it will install. So once it is installed, our final setup is to install Visual Studio Professional Edition 2019. Okay, let us check whether Git is available or not. Are you seeing command not found? So you close the window. Close the window, relaunch PowerShell once again. Run as administrator. Now execute Git -version. Now it is giving the output. So finally we have to install Same execute. Okay, why to write again? Just I will copy this. Execute the following command from the PowerShell's admin mode. Right? So what is the command you have to run? Chaco Visual Studio Professional 2019. Visual Studio is an IDE, okay, for .NET and Java, Python languages. That is a popular one. Okay, so just you have to run this command. Okay, so what is that command you have to run? It is very simple command. -y. Okay, so execute this command once again. Chaco install Visual Studio 2019 Professional. At last include -y. Because entire things I wanted to show, I cannot skip this session, because if I skip this session, you will be feeling difficulty in installing Visual Studio. So that is why I'm showing each and everything. I can show PPTs also, but that is not satisfactory, right? So that is why I'm showing each and every activity, okay, that is required for our visual, our Azure DevOps course.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
I can show that just PPT, just do these things, do these things, and follow the first step, second step. Okay, I can do that one also, but that is not good for me. Okay, so if I show everything, okay, that is very benefit for me. Okay, now it is installed. It is not installed, so it will take some more time. Okay, so let us close this window and go to just in the search, type like this, Visual Studio 2019. We have to install some more tools over here. we have to install templates for various languages. Okay, so select not now, maybe later. Start Visual Studio. Here select continue without code. Close this. It is not giving me option, right? Exit this. Once again, launch this Visual Studio 2019. So you are seeing an option called create a new project, right? Just click on this. Let us wait for that. It is processing. It is loading. Create new project. Now it is going to ask not finding what you are looking for. Install more tools and more features. So just click on this. Okay, what are the tools that you require and what are the templates that you need to install? Select all the tools. Okay, almost I am selecting all the tools. Because we need a full-fledged Visual Studio. Okay, that is why I'm selecting everything. And just to come down, and it will also give some more options like mobile development, game development, Kubernetes, Docker, everything. It will work for us. Still come down. Okay, .NET cross-platform development. Okay, almost every tool is selected, and choose install while downloading. Install while downloading. Click on modify. Okay, so now it is downloading all the tools first. Next, it is going to install. Say continue. So let us wait for that tools to be installed. Once the tools are installed, we can go and start our Azure DevOps sessions.
Hello, sir. Ajinkya here.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, sir. Ajinkya here. So this is my first day to join this session. Now I want to know how much time this DevOps training will take.
Here I have given a link to you. Okay, in that session I have explained everything.
Okay, sure. Okay, I will check.
Okay,
Okay,
I have
thank you.
explained the career object, career of. So what is the growth of Azure DevOps and what exactly DevOps and what is exactly Azure DevOps. I have given link. Once again, if you don't find the link, okay, I will share the link once again.
Okay, sir. I got it. In the beginning of this session, yeah, you sent the link, right?
Yeah, yesterday's session.
Okay, sure. I will
Go
check
through
it.
the session. Okay, so here if you have any questions, any queries in the next class, you can ask me regarding yesterday's session. Okay.
Okay, sir. No worries. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Just today we are making our environment ready. Okay, so today we have performed all these steps. I think in the beginning you have missed it, right?
No. I have joined the this session from the beginning,
First,
but
I have
your
shown how to
voice.
create Azure account. Then I have shown how to create Azure DevOps account. Okay,
Yeah.
then I have started installing Visual Studio 2019. Since already I have Visual Studio on my local laptop, I have taken a virtual machine from cloud, Azure cloud. Then I installed Taco. Then I installed Git. Now we are installing Visual Studio 2019, which takes more than 20 to 25 minutes of time.
Okay.
Visual Studio is installed. Now we are installing tools.
Okay. Yeah.
As a part of this course, we are providing Docker and Kubernetes at free of cost. Docker and Kubernetes classes are started. Okay, so if you are if you people are interested, you can complete your formalities in the front office. You can start attending Docker classes also. That is morning 7 a.m. IST.
Okay.
Sir, Docker and Kubernetes will not be taken the same time, sir, later.
No time. So for Docker and Kubernetes, 7 a.m. is the right time for me. Okay, for Azure DevOps, 5 p.m. IST.
Okay, so 2 months in this time we will only do Azure DevOps, correct?
No, 1 month Azure, 4 weeks Azure DevOps, 4 weeks Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, that is parallelly. Parallelly, if you want to go parallelly, 4 weeks, 4 weeks for Docker and Kubernetes, 4 weeks for Azure DevOps. Okay, if you go one by one, okay, it's a serial order. It will take 8 weeks.
Okay. So can we go in the serial order, sir? Is it possible?
Yes.
Okay. Reason behind it, sir, I do a night shift. So like my shift will start at around 6 o'clock.
Yeah, you can go one by one. So presently we have started Docker and Kubernetes. After completion of Azure DevOps, once again we will start one more batch. Okay, for Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, recently we started. Few people from this batch are also attending Docker and Kubernetes.
Okay. Fine.
Sir, am I audible?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask, is it a must to have a personal Windows machine for this course?
Which one?
This DevOps and all this course, for this course, if I don't have a Windows machine with me, can I use the same way which you are using, creating the virtual machine on
That's why I'm
Azure?
saying you don't have when you don't have Windows machine, okay, you can create a virtual machine. Okay, that's why I'm showing everything. When you don't have Windows virtual machine, you can start doing your work in cloud. That is why I have taken one virtual machine. On that virtual machine, we are installing Visual Studio software now. Okay, so if you are having Windows machine, no need of creating any virtual machine.
Okay.
It is not dedicated machine. Laptop. Okay, if you are having laptop, on that you can install. Otherwise, you create a Azure cloud account, which is valid for 12 months, which is providing 12 months free services. And on that you can take Windows virtual machine. A nominal charge will be given to you. That is 7 rupees per hour. Okay, so daily you can practice 2 hours in a day. First 1 month you are not going to charge. You are not going to be charged. After 1 month only you will be charged. We are not right. We are not developing any code, but the code must be there, right? Okay, code must. Without code, how can I show a CI/CD pipelines? Code must be presented. Is it right, Amit Samothya? Even though we are not developers, we are not writing any code. Okay, from where you can bring the code to create build and release pipeline? We need some sample code, right? That is why we are going to create .NET and Java sample applications, sample templates. In the reality, okay, we are not going to write any code. But without code, how can I show? How can we build build and release pipelines? Are you there, Mr. Amit Samothya?
Yes, sir, I got your point. I just mentioned in the chat also. I got your point. That we need some sample code in order to do that.
Yeah. Just for creating ASP.NET and Java templates. Okay, we need to have Visual Studio IDE.
Yeah. Yes.
In the reality, we don't write any code. Even we don't write even single line of code. Okay, just we are going to generate templates, ASP.NET projects and Java projects. We are going to create by using those templates. We are going to create build and release pipelines.
Got it, sir.
So can you please mute? Guys, it will take 20 more minutes. Okay, I will not keep you on waiting state. Okay, so let it be finished by tomorrow. So our next step is, okay, to create organizations. And to create a ASP.NET application. And we connect from Visual Studio 2019 to Azure DevOps portal. How to make connection, how to give credentials. Okay, Azure DevOps portal. And then next thing is pushing our code from Visual Studio 2019 to Azure DevOps repos. Then we will start Azure repos. What is a repo exactly? Okay, how many types of repository? What is the need of version control system, source code management? How many types of version control systems are there? Okay, so that story we are going to discuss in the next session, because easily it will take more than 20 minutes of time. I will keep it as is. Okay, by tomorrow, okay, this mission will be ready. We are going to discuss all these steps tomorrow. Okay. So if no questions are there, I will stop it for today. Tomorrow we meet again at same time. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Hello, Shiva sir.
Yes.
Sir, this recording will also be uploaded on the same DurgaSoft website, right? Like YouTube.
Yes. DurgaSoft website. Okay.
Okay, sir. And sir, I had like a few questions regarding DevOps. So as you told that we have to refer that video from yesterday, I'll refer that. And if I have anything apart from that, is any possible way to connect with you, sir?
For what?
In terms of my career, career in DevOps and how to move and.
Do one thing. Connected to Bhavani, so she will connect to me.
I have Chandrakala's number, sir. Will she help me? Or
Ask Chandrakala to give Bhavani number. Okay.
Okay.
She will connect Bhavani also. Okay.
Okay,
so Bhavani will connect to me.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.